just now I'm like roped into looking at like all the things that are here. Well, that was unexpected. I just got off work, so I look like a hot mess, but the reason why I wanted to do a little pop-in with you is because I'm at the Goodwill, and oh, you can't even see the sign. But we're going into the Goodwill because I've been thinking about this one sweater that I saw a couple weeks ago. I'm pretty sure it's not here. But I'm just going to go in and check and see if it's there. Okay, so I knew I wouldn't find it, but I'm still here anyways. Just now I'm like roped into looking at like all the things that are here. I'm not gonna stay here long, but I'm gonna keep looking. my gosh, okay, let's see what's here. Holy cow. What do we have going on? Let's take a look. $14, huh? Let's see what kind of fabric we have. Holy cow. Well, that was unexpected. Each bag was only $14.99. I spent $48 and some change, and I have a ton of yarn. I mean, each cone could have been at least $20 or $30 a piece, and wow, $14. Look at how big this cone is. Holy cow. That was a jackpot for yarn. Surprising. And the lady said, the cashier said that they actually had several more bags earlier in the day. Jeez. Well, you know your girl's all about beauty on a budget, so I just wanted to let you know I'm using my Starbucks points, and I got this big, cold, what the heck is it called? It's a cup. Yeah. Tumbler. I got this big, cold tumbler for just $5. It was actually a $25 purchase, but I had points, so I only had to pay $5. So I'm using my points so they don't expire, because they expired last month and I could have gotten another one. So boom. Thank you, Starbucks. Now I'm going into my favorite local yarn shop, CC's Wool. It's so cute in there. Okay, here is my haul from CC's Wool. This is Malabrigo. It's just such a beautiful yarn, and I want to make a shawl for work because it's always so cold. So I got some of this hot pink Malabrigo, and then I got some silk mohair to hold it with. That's going to be really pretty. And then here are two of the cones that I thrifted. This, I actually brought them in just to color match, and I had expressed that I didn't know what it was, you know, because some of them are labeled, some of them are not. So this one is probably acrylic yarn, which doesn't make me happy, but it's okay. It's still pretty. This is actually some sort of wool. It might be a wool and nylon mix because it has a little bit of spring to it. And then I'm going to pair it with this alpaca. And I think it's going to make a really pretty shawl out of that as well. So I definitely did some damage, did not plan to, but every time I go in there, I just love it. So after I got done shopping, I had mentioned to her that I'd like to, you know, film the next time I come in because I do YouTube, and she said, sure, no problem. So I'll take you inside the store next time. You may be wondering what I'm doing with all this yarn, and if you've been around for a while, you know that I learned how to knit last winter, and I'm actually continuing it and loving learning it. This is a top that I'm currently working on. It's for yarn that I already had in my stash. This is some silk that I actually bought off of Temu, which has really helped to make this fabric very soft and silky. Highly recommend it. And then this is from Sand and Scarred, and it is a linen nylon mix. I think it has a little bit of wool in it as well, but it's making this very beautiful tonal top. And as you can see, I'm actually making progress. This is the back part of it, and this is the front. I was actually able to kind of work over, and now I'm working down to the body, going to work around the arms, and then I'm going to try to finish the body. But this is project number one. I'm really proud of it, and I'm really enjoying, you know, using yarn to create my own objects. And for these beauties here, I'm actually going to make a scarf, two scarves. This one is going to be used to make the Sophie scarf by Petite Knit as well. Petite Knit really makes great patterns and just like very classic looking items. So I'm going to use that for that one. And then these are some thrifted, I told you about them, the thrifted cones that I got earlier in the video. And I'm going to pair that, they have a little bit of sparkle in them, pair that with this alpaca that I just got at the store. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a Sophie scarf with this as well. I hope. We'll see. I'm going to try to get working on those right away. But this is what I've been working on. I'm really enjoying making items. In fact, I have an item to show you, one of my finished projects. Action.
I did it. That's really good.
Now model for me.
How do you model, Anissa? I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna show off my.
Girl.
This is my. Oh, this looks handsome. I'm wearing my shirt that my mommy made. Come on.